So can you go stand on the T there, and you're gonna look right in the camera.
That's it. There we go. This was the special one.
Ooh.
Sound good?
Yeah. Do you have the power to change the world?
Yes.
Yeah. How would you change the world?
I will make teachers have more money because they actually teach doctors more than doctors teach teachers. I would invent like a little robot with a little jetpack. It could be like a mailman.
I'll invent a machine that when it rains and it waters the plant and the water helps the tree grow food so people can eat.
I'm going to invent a computer that can talk to people all around the world in different languages. I want to make food grow bigger. If I invented a robot, I would make it clean up all the garbage. I do not want Earth to be a bunch of litter stuff. I want to build a machine that gives clean water to people.
I'm smart.
I can do a lot of good things. I can change the world.